Most project managers think about risk during planning, but that's not where risk actually lives. Projects operate in uncertain environments, and risks often develop gradually, not suddenly. That means the real challenge isn't identifying risk once, it's recognizing how risk evolves during delivery. In this lesson, we'll break down how risk actually develops and how practical risk thinking improves project resilience. Risk is a natural part of project work. It's not something separate from delivery, it's built into it. Projects operate within changing conditions. Priorities shift, dependencies evolve, and new information becomes available. Because of this, risk is not static. It changes as the project progresses. That means identifying risk early is important, but ongoing awareness is what really matters. As projects move forward, risks evolve. New information surfaces during delivery. Dependencies between teams become clearer or more complex. Priorities may shift based on business needs, and all of these changes affect risk. What seemed stable early in the project may become uncertain later. So, managing risk isn't just about tracking what you already know, it's about recognizing how conditions are changing. Most projects track risk using tools like risk registers. These capture known uncertainties identified during planning. But not all risks are visible at the start. Some emerge during execution. Changing conditions, evolving requirements, and new dependencies can introduce new threats that weren't originally anticipated. That's why monitoring matters. It helps project leaders identify risks as they appear, not just manage what was already documented. Situational awareness is one of the most important capabilities in managing risk. It means paying attention to what's actually happening in the project environment. Communication patterns can reveal misalignment. Delivery progress can signal emerging issues. Changes in team behavior can indicate growing pressure or uncertainty. These signals often appear before problems become obvious. Recognizing them early allows project managers to act before disruption escalates. The reason this matters is simple. Risks rarely appear all at once. They develop gradually, often through small changes that go unnoticed. Not all risks are visible during planning, and project conditions continue to change throughout delivery. If awareness stops after planning, risk management becomes reactive instead of proactive. Early awareness improves the ability to respond. The key takeaway is this: risk is not a fixed list, it's an evolving condition. Monitoring project conditions reveals emerging threats. Situational awareness improves early detection, and early action reduces disruption. The most effective project managers don't just track risk, they stay aware of how it's changing. If you want structured training on this, you can find it at Harbor Systems Institute. The link is in the description below. Harbor Systems Institute, project management training for real world delivery.